is a 9. My 9 is empty. It says nothing is there. There's only like 1 9 I need to find, and I don't know where it is. So, guys, just help. There. Yes. Now 10. Ooh, 10 is pretty hard to find. Never mind. Never mind, dude. There's a million 10s. Should I say guys, not dude? Because there's a girl watching this. They're not a dude. So I'm just going to say guys. Because that's what people say in videos, like guys. So that just means everybody. So it means like girls and guys. It just means like that. Like girls and men, what? Like girls and men, I need your attention. That's what guys means, basically. Anyways, if you knew that, just don't ask why I said that. This video's gonna be so long. YouTube, give me a chance. Every video that was so long I couldn't upload, but it was too long, so I couldn't upload it for you, everybody. God. I'm scared. Hope my video doesn't say it's so long, because I want to post this for you guys so bad. I'm begging. I'm not begging, I'm just hoping. Because begging makes it... Like, I've heard Roblox where you beg and you, like, get banned. What's wrong with begging? It's just... Why? Strange. Anyways, where is the 10? Where is the 10? I don't know. It's probably more like in the Roomba than it's on the... Okay, there's 10s here. This is what my whole drawing is going to look like after, I think. Where's another 10? There. Guys, if you play color by number, please hurt my other drawings. I try my best. It takes me like 2 hours to make, by the way. If I was stupid, it would probably take me 6 hours to make. It's probably gonna take me an hour to make this. Oh my god, the picture wasn't easy. Finally 11. My god, how many... Sorry if I haven't talked in a little, but... Where is all the 11s? There's absolutely nothing I could find for an 11. 11s are everywhere, but I can't find them because now they're hidden. There you go. Now I need to find, I'm gonna try to find 11 on the Roomba. Say 7-Eleven in the comments if you want to. Actually, you should. If you like, you'd like, not you like, you'd like to do it. Yes, now I'm on 12. Yes, yes, oh yeah, this is right now. Yes, oh yeah, oh dear, yes, this is it. Oh my god, where's the 12s? I don't know, that's probably all the 12s. I have a million more 12s to go, but by the way, I'm just crazy. Don't know where all the other 12s in. Oh, they're right here. I didn't find it because I'm so stupid. I didn't want to say stupid, so I said stumped for some reason. I meant to say stupid. I wanted to say it because I actually meant to say stupid, but I said stupid for some reason. Because I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I don't know why I'm calling myself an idiot. I just like calling myself an idiot sometimes when I don't beat something. Oh my, 7. I just mean to say that. Don't say it in chat. Don't say it in chat. If you want to, just say it. I don't care. Bro. 12. Oh. There you go. 12. Whatever, gonna skip to 13 for the ultra hack. 13 is almost everywhere. It's just everywhere. Almost 13, almost done. Got the ways. In 6 years, I'll actually be 13. Because 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. I'm actually 7 years old, so I'll be 13 in 6 years. I was counting if you don't know, for some reason. Come on, 13, dude. 13 is so odd. That's all. That is it. God, that is all of it. Finally, 14. Okay, I thought there was gonna be absolutely no 14s, but there is 14s. I don't know where the other ones are, because it's like halfly done. There's basically just no 14. So, oh yeah, there's no 14s. 12. Finally, 14. 14 color, and 15 now. Color this in. I'm almost done. Tell me. Bro, how many 15s are there? Finally, guys! This is how I drew it. So long. Look at this, guys. So you guys wouldn't know. Anyways, bye.